Okay, welcome back guys. In today's video, we're going to be solving the square root of 6 plus the square root of 12 divided by 6 minus square root of 12. Let's see what we can do. So the first thing that comes into our mind is we're going to go with the difference of the squares where we have a minus b times a plus b. And we're going to do that because if we apply this one in the denominator, so we're simply just going to multiply this by the square root of 6 plus 12 divided by 6 plus 12 to get rid of the denominator, and we know this is 1, so we can basically do that. And if we that, we'll have a square root of 6 plus 12 squared, and what we have in the denominator, we have 6 minus square root of 12 times 6 plus the square root of 12. So what we will have in here will be 6 plus square root of 12. So it's going to come out, since it's a positive value, it's going to come out the way it is. And what we have in the denominator, we will have the square root of 6 squared minus. So what we have in here is 6 plus square root of 12 divided by square root of 36 minus 12, which is 24. So let's see how we can simplify this. So we have 6 plus, instead of 12, we can do 2 times 6. And here in the denominator for 24, we can do 4 times 6. And if we do that, we'll get 6 plus square root of 2 times square root of 6. Since we can take out, so when we have a square root of ab, this will be equal to a square root of a times square root of b. So we're gonna use that one, and the 4 can get out of the square root, so we'll have 2 times square root of 6. Now if we multiply the numerator and denominator by a square root of 6, and let's see what we can have. So the first part will have 6 square root of 6 plus 6 square root of 2, and what we have in the denominator will have 2 times square root of 6 times the square root of 6. This will be 6, and what we have basically is 6 square root of 6 plus 6 square root of 2 divided by 2 times 6, which is 12. So now if we divide that, we'll have square root of 6 divided by 12, which is 2, plus square root of 2, again divided by 2 with 2. And that would be all for this question. I'll see you guys with another interesting question in the next video. Take care and have a good one.